KleenMark is heavily invested in ISSA. It's a huge partnership of ours. We do what we can to support the various programs within ISSA, and we were really excited when we had the opportunity to sponsor for VEO because of the Hispanic connection that it offers. We have a huge Hispanic population that works for us, not just as cleaners, but also in our corporate positions. And for KleenMark, this is a way to help us invest in their development into that community and demonstrate, hopefully, those times for opportunity, growth, and just seeing others thrive, hopefully, through the program, and maybe encourage others to become more interested in growth opportunities and what that looks like. We have several of our teammates that are here for this conference, and one of our team members is a nominee for an award tonight. And I just hope that if someone sees and meets Euritzy and they can see that starting off as a cleaner and building your way up into a senior account manager, um, there's potential. And I believe that VEO extends that for KleenMark and our ability to invest into our people, which is one of our niche. It's our niche. That's part of what we talk about at all of our quarterly meetings. And we want to make opportunities for people. And VEO is just another way that we're going to be another tool for us to use to grow and develop our team members.